Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a super fast revision of the chapter Transportation in Animals and Plants. Start. We begin with the basics, blood vessels and blood corpuscles. Question 1. What are blood vessels? The answer is, tubes that carry blood to and from the heart. Question 2. Name the 3 types of blood vessels. The answer is, arteries, veins and capillaries. Question 3. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? The answer is, arteries. Question 4. Which blood vessel carries blood towards the heart? The answer is, veins. Question 5. Which is the smallest blood vessel? The answer is, capillaries. Question 6. Which artery carries deoxygenated blood? The answer is, pulmonary artery. Question 7. Which vein carries oxygenated blood? The answer is, pulmonary vein. Question 8. What is the function of valves and veins? The answer is, they prevent the backflow of blood and ensure one-way flow. Question 9. Name the 3 types of blood corpuscles. The answer is, red blood cells, RBCs, white blood cells, WBCs, and platelets. Question 10. What is the function of red blood cells? The answer is, RBCs carry oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. Question 11. What is the function of white blood cells? The answer is, WBCs protect the body from disease by fighting germs and infections. Question 12. What is the function of platelets? The answer is, platelets help in clotting of blood and prevent excessive bleeding. Quick takeaway, arteries take blood away from the heart, veins bring it back, and capillaries are the smallest. RBCs carry oxygen, WBCs fight germs, platelets help in clotting. Now let's open up the human body and see how much blood we have, the biggest vessels, and the structure of the heart itself. Question 13. What percentage of body weight is blood? The answer is, blood contributes about 8% of total body weight. Question 14. How much blood is present in an average adult human body? The answer is, about 5 to 6 liters. Question 15. What is aorta? The answer is, aorta is the largest artery, it carries blood from the heart to the body. Question 16. What are venules? The answer is, venules are small veins that collect blood from capillaries. Question 17. What is the size of the human heart? The answer is, approximately the size of a closed fist. Question 18. Where is the heart located? The answer is, in the chest cavity, slightly towards the left. Question 19. What is the main function of the heart? The answer is, to pump blood continuously throughout the body. Question 20. What is the septum? The answer is, a muscular wall that separates the left and right parts of the heart. Question 21. How many chambers are there in the human heart? The answer is, 4 chambers. Question 22. Name the 4 chambers of the heart. The answer is, right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Question 23. Which chamber has the thickest wall? The answer is, left ventricle. Question 24. Which side of the heart contains oxygenated blood? The answer is, left side. Question 25. Which side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood? The answer is, right side. Question 26. Name the only artery carrying deoxygenated blood. The answer is, pulmonary artery. Question 27. Name the only vein carrying oxygenated blood. The answer is, pulmonary vein. Remember, an adult has about 5 to 6 liters of blood, the heart has 4 chambers, and the left ventricle has the thickest wall because it pumps blood to the entire body. Time to start the heart. In this section we look at the circulatory system, the heartbeat, pulse, and double circulation. Question 28. What are the main parts of the human circulatory system? The answer is heart, blood, and blood vessels. Question 29. What is a heartbeat? The answer is one complete cycle of contraction and relaxation of the heart. Question 30. What is another name for a heartbeat? The answer is cardiac cycle. Question 31. What is systole? The answer is the phase when the heart muscles contract and pump blood out. Question 32. What is diastole? The answer is the phase when the heart muscles relax and the heart fills with blood. Question 33. What is a pulse? The answer is the throbbing sensation in arteries caused by the flow of blood. Question 34. What is pulse rate? The answer is the number of pulses, heartbeats, felt per minute. Question 35. What is the normal pulse rate of a healthy person? The answer is about 72 beats per minute, BPM. Question 36. Name 2 places where pulse can be felt. The answer is the wrist and the neck. Question 37. What instrument is used to listen to the heartbeat? The answer is stethoscope. Question 38. What is double circulation? The answer is blood passes through the heart twice in one complete cycle. Question 39. What is the role of hemoglobin? The answer is it transports oxygen in the blood, it gives blood its red color. Key takeaway: a heartbeat is 1 squeeze plus 1 relax, which is systole plus diastole. A normal pulse rate is about 72 beats per minute, and double circulation means blood passes through the heart twice in one cycle. Now we move to the heart valves and one of the most important real-world topics, blood donation and blood groups. Question 40. What is the function of valves in the heart? The answer is valves prevent backflow of blood and ensure one-way flow. Question 41. Name the 4 valves of the heart. The answer is tricuspid valve, bicuspid, mitral valve, pulmonary valve, aortic valve. Question 42. Where is the tricuspid valve located? The answer is between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Question 43. Where is the bicuspid, mitral valve located? The answer is between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Question 44. Who is a donor? The answer is a person who donates blood. Question 45. Who is a recipient? The answer is a person who receives blood. Question 46. What is blood transfusion? The answer is the process of transferring blood from a donor to a patient. Question 47. Name the 4 blood groups. The answer is A, B, AB and O. Question 48. Which blood group is called the universal donor? The answer is blood group O. Question 49. Which blood group is called the universal recipient? The answer is blood group AB. Question 50. Where is donated blood stored? The answer is in a blood bank. Question 51. How much blood is usually donated at a time? The answer is about 400 milliliters. Question 52. Can our body replace donated blood? The answer is yes, the body replenishes blood quickly. Question 53. What is pulse rate? Repeat, important. The answer is number of pulse beats per minute. Lock these in. O is the universal donor, AB is the universal recipient, about 400 milliliters are donated at a time, and the donated blood is stored in a blood bank. This page is full of conceptual why questions, the kind examiners love. We will also start the excretion topic. Question 54. Why is the pulmonary artery unique? The answer is, it carries deoxygenated blood, unlike all other arteries. Question 55. Why is the pulmonary vein unique? The answer is, it carries oxygenated blood, unlike all other veins. Question 56. Why is the left ventricle the strongest chamber? The answer is, because it pumps blood to the entire body at high pressure. Question 57. Why does pulse rate increase after exercise? The answer is, the body needs more oxygen and energy, so the heart beats faster. Question 58. Why do doctors use a stethoscope? The answer is, to listen to heartbeats and detect abnormalities in heart function. Question 59. Why does pulse rate increase after jogging? The answer is, because muscles need more oxygen, so the heart pumps faster. Question 60. Why is AB called the universal recipient? The answer is, because people with AB blood group can receive blood from all groups. Question 61. Why is O called the universal donor? The answer is, because people with O blood group can donate to all groups. Question 62. What is a blood bank? The answer is, a place where blood is collected, stored, and supplied. Question 63. What are blood groups based on? The answer is, the presence of proteins called antigens on the RBC surface. Question 64. What is excretion? The answer is, the process of removing waste products from the body. Question 65. Name the main excretory organ in humans. The answer is, kidneys. Question 66. What is urine? The answer is, a pale yellow liquid containing waste like urea, uric acid, and excess water. Big idea: the pulmonary artery is the only artery with deoxygenated blood, the pulmonary vein is the only vein with oxygenated blood, and excretion simply means removing waste. Final page. We will finish the excretory system and learn how transport works in plants. Question 67. What are nephrons? The answer is, the structural and functional units of the kidneys. Question 68. What is urea? The answer is, a nitrogenous waste formed from ammonia in the liver. Question 69. Why is excretion important? The answer is, it prevents accumulation of toxic substances in the body. Question 70. Name the accessory excretory organs. The answer is, lungs, liver, skin and rectum. Question 71. What are kidney stones? The answer is, hard deposits of minerals and salts formed in the kidneys. Question 72. What is hematuria? The answer is, presence of blood in urine. Question 73. What is dysuria? The answer is, pain or burning sensation during urination. Question 74. What is dialysis? The answer is, an artificial process to remove waste from blood when kidneys fail. Question 75. What is a kidney transplant? The answer is, replacement of a damaged kidney with a healthy donor kidney. Question 76. What is transpiration? The answer is, loss of water in the form of water vapor from leaves through stomata. Question 77. Name the openings through which transpiration occurs. The answer is, stomata. Question 78. What are vascular bundles? The answer is, transport tissues in plants made up of xylem and phloem. Question 79. Name the tissue that transports water in plants. The answer is, xylem. Question 80. Name the tissue that transports food in plants. The answer is, phloem. Question 81. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? The answer is, oxygen. Question 82. Which gas is released during respiration in plants? The answer is, carbon dioxide. Quick recap of the most important points. The nephron is the working unit of the kidney, dialysis cleans the blood when kidneys fail, xylem carries water in plants, and phloem carries food. And that is the complete chapter in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, please hit like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more quick revision videos. Donate blood, save lives. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one.